Okay, so now I'm going to try this Aqua HA Silk Mask. This is a concentrated mask serum. It also comes with pure plants derivative. Okay, also it's easy to apply. So I'm going to try it now and show it to you guys. This, you just wash and clean your face, which I already have, and then take out the mask. Okay, you put it accordingly to your face. So you apply evenly all over your face and you leave it for like 10 to 15 minutes and then you can take it off. Okay, and let's see after that. The mask is quite big for me, but you can adjust it easily, so there are no problems with that. Oh, it's really comfortable, it's really soft, it feels really refreshed throughout the process. It's no irritation at all. I really love upon applying this to my skin. I love how it feels. Texture is really good. Doesn't feel like it's kind of stuff my face upon wearing, you know. This one is really light. It's really comfortable. It really feels good. See? Okay, just leave it. Let it sit for like 15 minutes. So see you in a bit, okay? So since it's almost like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna massage my skin a bit before I take it off. This just feels so soft and comfortable. It's like seriously good. You have to try this yourself and you'll know how I'm in love with how it feels on my skin. It's really good, seriously. I feel like it doesn't want to like take it off because it feels really good. Okay, it's time to take it off. See the sudden glow. My skin feels really good. I love it. I really love it. It feels so fresh. It feels good. So I have one pimple here and here, but it doesn't irritate or make my pimple like going crazy. It doesn't like mess up with my pimple here. It feels really good upon applying and after applying. So you guys can try this Aqua HA Silk Mask. I just tried it and it really feels good. And I believe if I consistent with this, my skin will be really hydrated and it will turn out such a great results for my skin.